It's news time. Information is power. Be current. The news headline. 3 things Southeast governors review in their press statement which may signal an end to Southeast crisis. The news in full. The crisis in the Southeast may soon be a thing of the past following the revelation made in the press statement issued by the 5 Southeast governors. The press statement stated was the resolution of the state governors as the region plans to witness the governorship elections in Anambra State. Following the build-up to the elections, the region has been plagued with chaos and crisis allegedly perpetrated by the members of the outlawed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. The presence of the military in the region, however, has further exacerbated the issue as there have been incidents of gun battles witnessed in broad daylight on the streets of the southeast states. This had made the region a no-go area as residents and visitors had run for their dear life while the daily businesses had packed up. With the Anambra election fast approaching, the stakeholders in the region had put their heads together in a bid to find a common ground and sort out issues so that the elections can go on smoothly. From the press release, the Southeast governors made the following statement, which shows that the region will once again experience and witness peace. The governors had announced that they had identified some of the spokespersons of the warring groups and that announced and tried to enforce a sit-at-home order in Anambra State and the region in general. They added that they had engaged them to stop all forms of violence and illegalities in the Southeast, saying that the success of this arrangement can be confirmed from the recent announcement that the sit-at-home order earlier announced, which would have been disrupted the elections, have been cancelled. 2. The governors noted that they had collated the report made by the Apex Sociocultural Group, the UNESE, on how best to resolve the issues in the region, and they are promised to look into the report and make appropriate recommendations to the 4 federal governments in order to appease the warring factions in the region. The governors also noted that they had discovered that cultists, armed robbers, and kidnappers have been recruited to join the gang of bloodthirsty killers who have disguised under the IPOB banner to commit havoc in the region. The governors promised to fish them out, saying that the governors further mentioned that they would be using a political method to resolve the crisis in the region and ensure that this will end the agitations and crisis that the region is facing. As earlier stated, the sit-at-home order, which would have been disrupted the Anambra election, have been called off, and this is the first step towards achieving a wave of lasting peace in the region, saying that it is expected with the governors' continued efforts at seeking peace that the region will also get back to normal as soon as possible, because it is known to be a peaceful state. Everything within their powers to ensure that citizens are safe during the Southeast governorship election in Anambra State, where he said that Southeast, which has previously been one of the peaceful region, may likely be prone to dangers in this forthcoming election for November 6, 2021, and it is therefore sacrosanct for the security agencies to ensure that everyone are actually safe for this forthcoming election. And this is one of the reasons why the statement read that the security agencies deployed for Anambra election needs to secure the lives of the people of Anambra State while they are exercising their franchise. And this comes as well as the call for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, presently at the detention of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. They would not, they would not stop their sit-at-home order, which is scheduled for November 5 to November 10, 2021, unless the DSS, at least the federal government of Nigeria, release their leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu
on or before November 4, 2021. And it has been said that if the sit-at-home order should actually go on for that November 5 to 10, then the November 6 gubernatorial election of Anambra State would actually be affected greatly, and saying that the NEF spokesman, that is the Northern Elders Forum, spokesman Akim Baba Ahmed, has said that the region would cooperate with other regions to produce the president in 2023, saying that the elders suggested that the Independent Electoral Commission should be scrapped and the powers to conduct the local government elections transferred to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. And the IPLAN also said that the plans of the IPOB, to truncate the election bound to happen in Anambra State this weekend, that is on Saturday, would actually not work, saying that the ongoing trial of the leader needs to proceed with the loss of the land, saying that all they are demanding for the fair treatment, special treatment of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for peace is just inviting more threats on the people they are actually supposed to protect. And the forum notes that the PDP and All Progressive Congress dominate the political landscape, and that Nigerians will benefit more from additional options, both to improve the competition and broaden the leadership selection process. And the forum, that is the Northern Elders Forum, says that they look forward to the emergence and consolidation of other parties in the political environment, saying that the continued existence of the state electoral commissions, which to conduct elections, has to be done by the INEC. That is, the INEC should go and do local government elections, and they should be scrapped from the usual election that they do for the federal body. And the spokesperson said that if labeling bandits as terrorists would quell the onslaught ravaging the region, then the Northern Elders Forum is in support with the bandits being, tagged as terrorist organization. And also, the Northern Elders Forum had actually insisted that the plans of the indigenous people of Biafra, to disrupt the Anambra gubernatorial election, of which they had actually, rejected, saying that they are not, the IPOB says that they have no business with the election so far, but all they are concerned about is their leader being released from the detention of the DSS and, given enough fair hearing. However, the Northern Elders Forum still insists that all that they are saying will just continue to further mayhem going on in the southeast region already before, and saying that they wish that the Nigerian state can eliminate the expanding scourge of insecurity going on in that state. And this is even as the forum has decried worsening security situation in the country, in spite of the claims by President Muhammadu-led administration that everywhere is cool and fine. And the group said that Boko Haram insurgency continues to be a major threat in the northeast, while kidnapping and large-scale banditry in many other parts of the north are taking over lives of large portions of population, while the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, threatens to eradicate the influence of legitimate authorities in the southeast. And in the statement made available to the newsmen in Abuja by the Director of Publicity and Advocacy of Northern Elders Forum, Akim Baba Ahmed, he said that the measures put in place to contain the spread should be diligently monitored